हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज अनुराग सिंह। वेलकम टू पाहुजा लॉ एकेडमी। और इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एक लैंडमार्क केस लॉ जिसको कि हम लोग जानते हैं सबरीमाला रिव्यू पिटिशन के नाम से। बट द नेम ऑफ द एक्चुअल केस लॉ इज इंडियन यंग एडवोकेट एसोसिएशन वर्सेस द यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया एंड दिस इज द केस ऑफ 2018 सुप्रीम कोर्ट। सो याद रखिए, तो हम लोग कहते हैं सबरीमाला। देखो, देयर इज अ टेम्पल इन केरला ऑफ लॉर्ड अयप्पा। Lord Ayappa. Okay. Now, Lord Ayappa is a regional deity and it is a very respected and a very faithful one, जहाँ पर कि लोगों की बहुत बिलीफ है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ है लॉर्ड अयप्पा के उसमें प्रिंसिपल्स में। So people used to visit the temple and seek his blessings, and this is one temple that is dedicated to Lord Ayappa, and Lord Ayappa was deemed to be celibate, right? Celibate मतलब he did not associate with females and he led a life of seclusion from females, right? So उसके लिए Lord Ayappa did not associate with females from the menstruating age, यानी कि जनरली ऐसा कहा जाता है कि women of age 10 to 50, this was the age for which Lord Ayappa did not associate. So because Lord Ayappa was celibate and he did not associate with the women of this age group, that is why the temple premises was also restricted for the women of this age. ठीक है, याद रखना कि Lord Ayappa himself did not associate. That is why, because he was celibate, and that is why the temple authorities also prevented the women of this age to enter the premises. Okay. Now, this practice of the Sabrimala temple was challenged in this case of Indian Young Advocate Association versus Union of India. Okay, that such and such practice violates Article 14, 15 and 21 of the Constitution, even to some extent Article 25 of the Constitution. Okay, so the Supreme Court, it was a 5-judge bench, by 4-1 majority, by 4-1, it said कि this practice is unconstitutional, right? And it violates Article 14, 15 and 21. Okay? The only dissenting opinion was given by Honorable Justice Indu Malhotra, where she said that we should not interfere in core and deep religious practices. That should be left to the parties or the temple authorities. ठीक है, या फिर religious जो भी rites and ceremonies है वो वहीं तक छोड़ देनी चाहिए. We should not, the court should not interfere, the law should not interfere with the core religious beliefs of a religion. ठीक है, so this prohibition of that the women cannot enter into the temple premises, this was only one temple that was considered. So this judgment has been welcomed as well as criticized. जितना welcome किया गया उतना criticize भी किया गया है. जो लोग वेलकम करते हैं उनका ये कहना है कि everyone should be allowed to access the temple, और जो लोग क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं वो लोग ये कहते हैं कि because Lord Ayappa was a celibate and he did not associate with women, that is why this restriction was there. Even जो केरला की कई सारी फीमेल डिवोटीज है ऑफ लॉर्ड अयप्पा, they do not enter the temple, वो बाहर से ही उनके दर्शन करती हैं. तो ये चीज को लेकर के क्रिटिसिज्म दिया जाता है कि although you are given a legal right to enter the temple, but does it really give you the religious belonging that you need? जो भी आपको religious feeling इससे आनी चाहिए, क्या वो इससे आएगी? आपको legal right तो मिल जाएगा, because देखो the Supreme Court has said it, they have to follow it. But इसके पीछे जो philosophical या religious reason है, that is still there कि if Lord Ayappa himself did not associate with the women of this category or this particular age group, can the females, by associating, by entering the temple, are they really getting the blessings of Lord Ayappa or not? So there is a welcome aspect to it where the temple has been thrown open to women of all age, but there is a criticism aspect to it which says कि because Lord Ayappa did not himself associate, आपको भी associate नहीं करना चाहिए. And even today, recently, वहाँ के डिवोटीज जो थी, फीमेल डिवोटीज, उनका इंटरव्यू पब्लिश हुआ था जिसमें कि उन लोगों ने कहा था कि देयर इज अ लीगल राइट, वी नो वी कैन एंटर द टेंपल बट वी विल नॉट, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट व्हाट लॉर्ड अयप्पा वांटेड एंड बिकॉज वी आर ट्रू डिवोटीज वी विल अबाइड बाय हिज वर्ड. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द इशू इन्वॉल्व्ड हियर एंड दैट इज द बैकग्राउंड एंड दैट इज द आफ्टरमैथ ऑफ द केस लॉ. थैंक यू एवरीवन.